Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to fix permanently suspended Twitter account. So let's get started. At first we need to know that Twitter app is now changed to this app called X. So let's get into it. Now we can see the account is suspended. So let's click on go to x.com over here. Now click on how to unsuspend your X account. Scroll down and click on file and appeal. We are asked to log out and log in to our account. So let's tap on log out. Now click on profile icon in the top left corner. Click on settings and support, settings and privacy, your account, and click on account information. And here we can see this option called logout. Simply tap on this to log out. Now click on login. Enter your email address and click on next. Enter your phone number or username and click on next. Now enter the password. Now here we need to click on submit and appeal. So let's tap on this and you can add the description and click on submit. Now X app or Twitter will continue the further process. So this is all we can do to fix suspended account problem on Twitter. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.